Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I came with my Android cell phone. So in today's video I'm going to show you how can you open desktop site of any site in your mobile with desktop version. It means whenever you open a website it open like an Android version or smartphone version, but in today's video how can you open a desktop site like your PC or laptop in your cell phone. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. Okay, I already opened it, Chrome browser. Now try whatever URL you wanted to open. Okay, let me type YouTube. I want to open YouTube. Here search youtube.com. Here you can see that basically the mobile version of YouTube is opened. Okay, now I will tell you how can you open it in desktop version. In example I'm showing a YouTube, but you can open any site with same way. Okay, just click on this red icon and there's a menu open. In this menu you can see here desktop site. Just click on it. Whenever you click it on it, the site will be automatically open desktop version like your PC or laptop. So it is the same way you can open any site desktop version. Okay, so if you haven't any subscribe my channel, just go click on it, and also don't forget to click on a bell icon, because whenever I upload my video, so you will never miss it. See you soon in another video.